Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Umkhokha and this is all things entertainment. I'm here to remind you guys that DiepCity is coming to an end after 240 sterling episodes and 2 amazing seasons. So you remember that it is coming to an end on Friday the 3rd of March 2023. And when I look at the teasers, they reveal that Umkhokha is gonna try and slaughter a goat, and the goat is not going to cry, and that symbolizes bad luck. And the very last episode reveals that there's going to be a lot of people dying in large numbers. So I am saying to you, make sure that you don't miss out on the last episode. And Minege, I just want to say congratulations to Umandla and the team, because their contract was meant to last for only one season, but because they scooped many nominations and many awards, they were given a second chance to continue with, guys, because season 1 is amazing. So go ahead and also do season 2. But ke asiko lapho. Also remember that from Monday the 6th of March at 8:30 Umkhokha will be coming back, so you guys can expect to get a fix of drama which is filled with deceit every Monday to Friday on DSTV channel 161. After ending season 1 with a cliffhanger of note, the series Umkhokha is coming back with two families at war, and it promises new era that is riveting, emotive, and filled with more twists and turns. And the returning cast members include Deli Malinga as Umazobe and Sibonile Ngubane as Difa Namaps and Hope Hlope. New cast members include Ugcinile Nkosi and Umanzimande, as well as Daniel Hadebe as Urechi. I also saw Umusa Kaula saying that Usitelo will be making an appearance there. I am not sure about that, but we will wait and see. Right, gay, I was here to tell you that DiepCity is coming to an end and Umkhokha will be replacing it. Make sure that you don't miss out on all the drama and the deceit. My name is Umkhokha. This is all things entertainment, and I will see you guys when I have another update. Gulungile. Bye.